Zombie apocalypse.
Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss our updates. This is the interface of the website. You can start typing right from the homepage. As you can see, I'm typing now. Here is various types of things like typing courses, typing test, and typing games. Here you'll have a variety of courses. And you'll have a numerous of keyboard layouts. Also you'll have different themes. This website will support on Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Edge browsers. Okay, let's get started. They're also providing some pro features which will cost $10 a year, but free is enough. Okay, let's get into the course. You'll have various levels of courses. Let's start from the basics. You'll need to type the letters shown with the right finger. Just type like that.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit.
You can also play a typing test here to test your typing skills.
Bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
You can also play a typing game here. You need to type the words that is falling. If you miss, that will fill the water and the game will over.
Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
At the end you will see your results. Now let's see how to sign up. You can either log in with Facebook or Google, or you can sign up manually by providing username, email, and CAPTCHA.
With